Okay, so last video we talked about converting units, but this time we're going to talk about converting any unit rather than just metric units. And this is entirely done by using the ratios that have been given. So, I'm traveling to Egypt and I plan on spending 100 quid on getting the currency. How many Egyptian pounds can I get, given that £1 is 40 Egyptian pounds? Well, thankfully the question did most of the work for us. Because if we know that £1 is equal to 40 Egyptian pounds, right? Then all we need to do to find what £100 is we need to do 40 times 100. Okay? And that's just going to equal 40,000. Because we know what 1 is, and so therefore 100 of them is just going to be timesing each of them by 100. But what if we're not given what 1 is? In this scenario, I'm telling you that Egypt is 2,600 miles from London. How much is that in kilometers when we're given this time that 5 miles is 8 kilometers? Well, if 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometers, then 1 mile, sorry, wrong color, 1 mile has to be equal to 8 divided by 5, which is just 1.6, okay? Now that's what 1 mile is equal to, but we have 2,600 of them. So 2,600 miles is equal to 1.6, because that's what 1 mile is equal to, times 2,600. So all we're doing is we're using this conversion now, which we derived from this conversion. Okay? And when we do that, we should get an answer of 4,160 kilometers. But what about if we're given what the conversion is, but for the wrong unit? So for this one, we're told that my car needs 54 litres of fuel to fill up the tank. How much is that in gallons, right? We're given what the conversion is, but we're given it from gallons. That's fine. All we need to do is that just means that 4.5 litres is equal to 1 gallon. Okay? And so therefore, we just need to work out what 1 litre is. So 1 litre, that's just going to equal 1 gallon divided by 4.5, okay? Which is just equal to 2 over 9. I'm just going to leave it in fractions just because it's a long decimal. And now we know what 1 litre is equal to. How much is 54 litres going to be equal to? Well, 54 litres, that's just equal to 2 over 9 times 54, which is just going to equal 12 gallons. Do you understand? So we went from this ratio and we just said that 1 litre is equal to 2 over 9 gallons. And then we use that to our advantage here. What about time conversions? So for this one, we're told it takes 4 hours and 40 minutes to fly there. How many seconds is that? Well, we need to do 2 conversions here. First is the number of hours, right? If there are 4 hours and 40 minutes, right? 4 hours is just going to be 4 times 60, which is equal to 240 minutes. Okay? So therefore the total time, right, is just equal to 240 plus another 40, which is 280. Now, all we need to do is we need to convert this 280 into seconds. And we know that if 1 second is... 1 minute is 60 seconds, then that means that 280 minutes is going to be 60 times 280. Okay? And when we work that out, and you're allowed to use your calculator here, we get an answer of 16,800 seconds. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video made sense. If you guys liked it, please consider subscribing as it helps out the channel a lot. If you have any further questions or comments, ask me down below or join my Discord server if you have an exam question that you're really stuck on. If you guys do not want to fail your exams, drop me an email to get tutored by me and we can organise a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.